Woohoo! Vamos! Let's go! And another 3 trolleys. Here we go. This one, 3,600 discount. This one, 3,000 discount. What's up, guys? I'm Ricky, and I've sold over 6.5 million euros on Amazon across Europe. And today we're kicking off with an epic 4-day retail arbitrage road trip across Spain. From northwest Spain all the way to Madrid and then back up north again. Over 1,500 kilometers in total, and I am hunting profitable deals to flip on Amazon. And I'm taking you with me. So put your seatbelts on and let's go. Okay, so I'm on another road trip. So I got a WhatsApp message yesterday morning from a friend of mine who works in a store that the whole chain of Poly stores in Spain is closing down on Wednesday. That's it, game over. There's 40% off all the products on the store on top of all the offers, and there's another store as well which has 70% off. Plus there's a lot of other stores in between. And on top of that, there's Costco as well, which I've never shopped in Costco before. So I'm going to sign up, get an account, and go shopping in Costco and see if we can find some deals. Okay, so just in Campo, and just found this one here, that one, and then it's the snow, and just scanned it. It's looking pretty sweet. Looking pretty good. 740 profit, 20 euros cost, low rank 24,000. So may sell in other countries, but yeah, not very good margins. So it's looking pretty good. Okay, in the end, picked up this as well. So this 30 euros, selling for like almost 60. So nice profit on that one. Only 2 of those because one was damaged. Got 2 of those Nancy's. So yeah, what we're talking 7, 8, 16. These are about 10 euros, so 20, 36, 20, about 46, 50 euros profit there. That's all right. Anyway, grab the coffee, on to the next one. Okay, so we've got these ones here, 25 euros each. Is Rainbow High, and at first look, doesn't look amazing, right? So 25 euros cost, low rank, BSR is 19k, it's good, but it doesn't look great, right? There are some variations on this, but I've sold these before. But when we look here, we see the FBA sell is 57. So they have got 18 units, but that's fine. I don't mind even holding on for a little while, you know, for Q4. So when we look now, we look in Spain, it's still saying no profit, but if we match that FBA seller, then it's 10 euros profit on each one. Plus, there is 25% back on a coupon. So, yeah, so we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I need to check they're all okay. We'll take those. So, we've got these ones here. It's got 70% off today. So, got this one here, which is 55, so it works out 18. Okay, we've got these ones here looking pretty good. So 50 euros, but 70% off, so works out about 15, just over 15. So ranked 77, 11 euros profit in Spain. Nice. Other countries there looking pretty good as well, looking pretty strong. BSR is a bit high in France and in Italy, but still, profit's nice. And the FBM in those countries as well, so good. We'll take all of those. Got some more products. Now going to the hotel and have some dinner. Real late for me. It's like 10 p.m. Dinner time for Spanish. Time for dinner and rest. Well, it's definitely not the Ritz, but it'll do. Pesto dressing. Nice. Get some goodness in me. Get some rest on the road tomorrow. This one is 42, 40% off, so 25 euros, 20 cents. So, well, let's just leave it 25 this one. just be slightly less than that. So yeah, good rank. 12 euros profit, 20% margin, nice. And selling in all countries as well. Good rank in all countries. We used to sell a ton of these years ago, and now there's, you know, even less, rarer and rarer. So I'm gonna take those, and there's one up the top, another two actually up the top. Let's get all of those. Okay, that's the first basket. Let's go and get another one. A lot of Legos here, so found some deals already. Over there, right over there. All of that. There's like 700 euros of Lego there, so equals about approximately 350 euros in profit. Maybe a bit more actually, because some of those Legos are really good ROIs. So awesome, and on to the next one. Okay, so there's a few bits in here. I didn't bring a trolley in today because they didn't have any trolleys outside. So I hate it when they do that. Ah, look, this one here, for example, is 10 euros because it's 50% off over there. If I show you over there, if I can, 50% off. Playmobil, but look at the back, it's open. The back's open, so that's no good. This one here, look, it's 20 euros, but 50% off, so it comes up at 10 euros. 10 euros is profitable. So not a lot, but you see that in some of the other countries. It's 4 euros in Italy, so 8 euros in Germany, so that's nice. We get those three there. And then I'm also going to pick up, there's two of these. So I need to get two of these as well, because there's about almost 8 euros profit on those. First store done, 50 euros banked. I've been doing this long enough to know what we should be making on average. So the idea is working hard and smart. That's the key, right? So yeah, looking at this one. This one here is 10 euros cost. 10 euros cost. Selling for 25. 4 euros profit. 16% margin. 40% ROI. Now the only thing is it's all FBM sellers. And that to me, you know, and there's a lot of FBM sellers. So the only risk is potentially Amazon will make us send this to a different warehouse, which could be an issue. So the risk is we can't send this in and we'll have to sell it FBM. We could do it, it's just more of a pain, right? I'd rather send everything FBA. But, okay, so this one, yeah, it's FBA seller. I want to take the risk on that one because there's an FBA seller in Germany, so chances are it should be okay. And if we can't sell them, we just have to play a game, play racing. Yeah, I was selling these actually at Christmas time. They're really cheap now. I think I was paying 30 and now they're 12.88. 13 euros cost, 20 euros profit on each one. So 20 euros profit each. A few FBA sellers, only sells in Spain because it's Spanish language. Okay, I have to get some of those. Definitely gonna have to get some of those. 20 euros on each one. Not bad for what? 15, 20 minutes? 200 euros? I'll take that. Got to load that up now and then find somewhere to get a coffee and then on to the next place. That's it, because it was 20 past 7 now. I'm going back to the hotel. I really had to fight my kind of instinct to go to another store, which is a Carrefour outlet. Because I always think, what if I don't go today and then someone else goes and clears the shelves that I would have got, you know, things that I would have got. But it swings and roundabouts because maybe tomorrow they restock the shelves. So who knows, right? Home sweet home for a night. Looks comfy enough. Do for one night. Oh, and we've got a fridge, lovely. Okay, so we've got a mission. Need to stack all this lot up, get it all stacked up. So we'll get it all in there, put as much in there as possible. And then we've got an empty van to go on to the next stores. Okay, so just left the hotel. This is day 3. Woohoo! In the summer, unbearable heat. In the winter, unbearable cold. Welcome to Madrid, everyone. Right, so just been scanning this one. Unfortunately, there's only one. We used to sell a ton of these. And unfortunately, there's only one on the shelf. That's cost price 15. And as you can see there, selling between about 5 and 7 euros profit on each one. So we used to buy those for €9 and bought a ton of them. This little one here, it's a pretty good one. Sold these before, so 64,000 rank and selling for 35. You wouldn't believe it, they're selling for 35, but it is €10 profit on each one. And not only in that country as well, it's all countries. So I'm gonna get all of those. Picked up this one as well. This one 25, you can see we're selling it for 62. So do some math on that. It works at about €18 profit, so that's good. Should be about €100 worth of profit really. So we'll take that. Okay, so this is the store we've been waiting for. So hopefully this store is going to bring us gold and treasure. This one looking pretty good. Might not sell right now, but I think Christmas time we should have a good job opportunity. Looking pretty good in Germany, so that's looking good. So I'm going to get maybe 15 of those. See, this one in Italy, it's not profitable as it shows on there, but in Italy, I mean, it's €2 profit in Germany. In Italy, it's FBM seller, so I've got an idea that we can make some good profit on that. But I think I'm going to get 10 of those. Make sure the boxes are all good. This one, so Germany, €3 profit. So not amazing, but I'll take that. These have been on the market for a while, so prices should start going up. So yeah, let's load up. This is what we want, stack in the trolley. Okay, so this is where we got things like this one here, 16.50. There we go. This is where we can find deals like this. So less than €12. Got 2 listings there, but the bottom one has got no reviews. We're looking here, there's no sellers. No sellers at all. But if we look in the history, then we can see at some point it was selling for about €50. So let's put €50 in there. €50, and then we can see €17 profit. Nice. And in the other countries, profitability would be anything from about 17, €16 to like €23. So that's the kind of thing we want. That's how I like to do it. 2 trolleys, fill them up. I think we spent €1,100 in this, so pretty sweet. Right, so time to get some lunch. So you might ask, why am I eating in the van? Because when I'm in the stores scanning a lot, I use a lot of battery, so I need to get back in the van, get it charged up, so I'm ready for the next store. Because the worst thing in the world is you get into a store and you've got loads of products and you've got no battery. 2 more bags of stuff over there. That's my friends over there, having a cup of coffee with my friends. And there's 2 more left, 2 more stores. Good morning, day 4. So I had some bad news that one of the stores that was closing down, today should be the last day, and they just got news late last night that they're closing yesterday, so that was it. So that's a shame because now I'm missing out 2 stores. Plans changed slightly. I'm going to do the rest of the Alcampo stores in Madrid today, and then see if I'm just going to miss the Carrefour stores out because it's just not enough. Yeah, I'm going to do the Alcampo stores and then get out of Madrid. Right, so got to stack this van up. Time to get on the road, let's go. Again, why wouldn't I buy this? BSR and everything's okay. 90,000. Top 2%, it's okay. But profit, yeah, it's not really enough profit. Enough profit in France, but not enough sales. So that one's a no. Still too tight in that one, you see, in other countries. Germany were okay. 346 profit in Germany. And as well in Italy, so 323 in Italy. So let's get some of those. Now my plans changed again because in that last store I found out that the 70% off in that store, in that chain of stores, finishes today. Hopefully I can spend like 2,000 or 3,000. Then look on the GPS and see how long it's going to take me to get to the last store. Wish me luck. Okay, so just got a trolley worth of stuff. I couldn't do any recording in there because I'm literally in a rush now. Made a decision to go to the next store, which is 3 hours away, but it could be a gold mine. Last time I spent 4K there. So I've got to load this in the van, go get some food and get on the road again. Okay, so just got 3 big bad boy trolleys, 1,500 euros. Gonna take this to the van, chuck it in there quick, and then get back in before the store closes, because I think I'm gonna do another 1 or 2 trolleys. Let's go. Woohoo! Vamos! Let's go! Okay, so just loaded that up. So it's 3 trolleys just loaded in there. So this was the jackpot. I've got to go back in. There's literally a race now because they close in 45 minutes. I'm literally sweating so much, we're going back in. But when you find deals like this, like jackpot, proper jackpot, it makes it all pay off. This one, 3,600 discount. This one, 3,000 discount. Another 3 stacked trolleys. This is how we roll. And another 3 trolleys. Here we go. Here we go. Whoop, whoop, whoop. It's midnight, or 5 past midnight, and it's been a long day. I'm gonna get in the shower and then get to bed, and then yeah, up in the morning, get on the road again and home. So it's been an awesome trip, and yeah, pushed it today, really pushed it. But anyway, it was worth it because that last store was the gem, it was the treasure. Arbitrage is simple. Anyone can do this. You can do this. It's just about buying low and selling higher on Amazon. And you can test this for such a small amount of money. So what do you think? You're going to try out some RA this weekend? Comment hustle down below if you want to give it a go. So this trip has been proof that retail arbitrage can really work anywhere. With the right tools, the right mindset, whether you're in Spain or anywhere else, the deals are there for you. So just waiting for you to go and get them. So if you want to see more retail arbitrage trips, don't forget to subscribe, hit that notification bell and drop a comment down below. Where should I be going on the next trip? Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.